Might have broken it. Nothing seems to be happening. Sorry, not oh no, I can't tell.
Well, that didn't really work out. That's what you get for buying a cheap one. He said it kept it's supposed to be hovering, and it's not. It's just going off on its own. Have the batteries come loose?
No. Well, I've killed it maybe. I can't even tell. It's on, it's flashing, so it's on. Bluetooth is on. So it's on. Flashing, so I assume it'd be no. Oh! Come back.
Uh-oh.
Did you get some of that?
I did.
Oh dear me. I'm not doing very good at this, am I? Bridget, it is just bombing off on its own. Oh. I'm not very good at this. Probably give her a break. I'm not very good at this.
Oh. Well, this is the campsite that we are at the moment. And you can see Brian there. And our car.
As far as actually taking any photos while I'm doing that, got no chance.
Chris has been trying out the drone, but it's a very cheap drone, so we may have to invest if we really want to have a good one. I have no idea what these buildings are. No idea whatsoever, but I'll give you a quick little look of the washing up area. We get a red kite that comes flying over daily, which is nice. There are a lot of red kites in this area. It's really cool because I don't think I've ever actually seen a red kite. I've seen a lot of other hawks, you know, the normal hawks. Now that's where you have to stop when you enter and pay, and they prefer cash. It is £16 a night, but the electric is an addition, and we found, because we use so many electrical things, that actually our electric is quite high. Last night we kept our little electric heater on low, and it was £7. But then after you've paid, when you come in, there's a little button for the gate, so you push that up, and then it automatically goes down once, if you're leaving, it'll automatically go up, I mean. So, and then these are the loos, and they're perfectly adequate. I'm heading my way to get rid of my bottles, but so there's the men's, and then this is the washing up area. The hot tap is a push button, but that's okay. That one there stays on like forever, and you have to make sure you turn it off actually. So that's nice, and the hot water is quite hot. And then we have the ladies' loos. Again, just your kind of normal. Got very spoiled at the last place we were at because the toilets were so new and modern and lovely. But yeah, these are certainly, you know, certainly not dirty, and it's very adequate. 2 showers, and again, not push buttons, so that's nice. Lots of room. So yes, that's the toilet. Another view back out there of more of the vans that are here. It was quite busy this weekend. I think almost every spot was filled. And then back around this side, past the male's loo, is you've got the chemical disposal point. Pretty average under there, so that's pretty normal. And then you do have a laundry room. We did use this, and the door's fixed. Now the washing machine is 4 pounds, so you can put 4 pounds in the machine and then use your washing machine. The dryer is 1 pound for 20 minutes. Now I found I had to actually spend about 6 pounds to get, it was a big load though, but it was about 6 pounds to get that dry, so that was about 10 pounds. Still cheaper than a Revolution, but there you go. And over here is where you have to do the garbage. Now I will say there is a sign here. It says if you don't sort your rubbish, there will be a sorting charge of £5 per bag. Please leave your bags and pay at reception. So I suppose if you don't want to sort through it, you can pay £5 and have them do it. So here's our sorting: paper, magazines and card, plastic bottles, which is what I'm getting rid of at the moment because we drink a lot of water, bottled water, tins, barbecues only, disposable barbecues only, glass bottles. And then here's where your general rubbish normally goes, and they usually have 3 bins out, but they don't today. So there you go. So that's basically our campsite this week. Again, it's a great price, especially if you're off grid and you want to come in and just pay £16 a night, but still have access to toilets and washing areas and water. But the electric, as we said, just seems like it's expensive to us. But then again, this is the first time we've been on a site where we've had to actually pay for the electric. So that's it. Come back around the corner, and there's Brian. Our pitch is not level, and even with us on the chocks, we're still leaning a little bit forward. Some of the pitches look a bit more level, but there you go. Okay. Very peaceful here, by the way. It is very, very quiet. We're far enough really from the main road. So that's it, guys.